Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. I'm here after a long gap with an awesome recipe. I'm going to show you how to make Mutton Dum Briyani at home. So I have used very minimal ingredients and this is the simple way to make a perfect Dum Biryani. So let's get started. I'm also going to give all the ingredients in the description box below so it would be easier for you to take a snapshot. We need some fried onions to make Dum Biryani, and to make that I have kept some oil to heat. Meanwhile, I have also taken 1 kg of mutton. To this, let's add all the ingredients. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as required, 5 cardamom, 8 cloves, 2 bay leaf and 1 cinnamon stick. To this, I'm going to add the fried onions. I have taken 2 onions today. Along with this, let's add 2 green chillies, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of curd. Let's mix all the ingredients well. Just crush and mix it so that all the flavors will get inside the mutton, and we'll need to marinate this mutton for at least 1 hour. And now to boil the rice, I have kept a pot full of water. To this, I'm going to add 3 to 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves and 2 bay leaves. Let this come to a boil. And now the pressure has released. I have cooked the mutton for around 5 whistles. To this, I'm going to add a handful of mint leaves, juice from half a lemon and a handful of coriander leaves. Mix it well and let this simmer. We need it thick, so let the water evaporate from the mutton. Meanwhile, to boil the rice, the water is boiled well. And now I'm going to add 3 cups of Basmati rice, which I have soaked in water for around 15 to 20 minutes. And now to this, I'm going to add generous amount of salt. Mix it well, and we need to cook this on high flame for just 5 minutes until the rice is 85% done. And now it's time to assemble. I'm taking a heavy bottom pan here. The first layer is going to be the mutton. The mutton is now 95% done. So when we put this on dum, the rest 5% will be cooked. And the second layer, I'm going to put some rice. And as I told earlier, the rice is now 85% done. And the next layer is again going to be the mutton. By doing this, we'll get some good layers, and also all the flavors from the gravy and the mutton will be well soaked by the rice that we have added. So ensure that you make as much layers as possible. And now I'm going to top this up with a handful of mint leaves, fried onions. You can also soak some saffrons in milk and add it at this stage, which will give a wonderful flavor. And also adding generous amount of ghee. And after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to close this with an airtight lid. If you do not have an airtight lid, you can conceal it with atta dough so that the steam will not escape from the pot. And now exactly after 20 minutes of dum, I'm going to open it. It smells divine. Do not over mix it. Now it's time to serve. Use a fork or a sharp ladle and just take it from the edges so that the rice doesn't break. Look at the layers, look at it. This is the perfect way to make Dum Biryani. As I told you, there are few ingredients that are missing, like saffron with milk. So you can add it along with this so that you'll get the authentic flavor. Let's taste this. Mutton pieces are well cooked. It's so soft. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. This was so yummy. Trust me and try this. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.